Hello collectors, what I have for you right now is a little frakenfan. Kind of little utility fan of my own design. It's made from parts. Set of old slimline blades and brackets which I hand stenciled. An old Hampton Bay industrial motor, and I left over an extra switch housing from a palrourfan that had a bent center shaft. I had to turn that palrourfan into what is essentially a baby 36-inch heat cycler. But that's another story that I probably will never video of that one for reasons, but I do have a few pictures of it somewhere. Anyway, I'm going to power this one up. 2-speed, as is typical for Fastgo 2-speed. You got low, variable speed low. Oh, we got high, because it wants to malfunction. Here we go. Now, here's low because the fan wanted to be cranky. Sorry about that. So here's low. And those blades are up to a pretty crazy pitch. I think it's over 20 degrees. I had to put it that far to make the variable speed actually start slowing the fan immediately from the highest setting. So, 20 degree pitch, spins 36-inch fan, spins at least as fast as a 36-inch blender fan, but steeper pitched. Yeah, this moves more air than a blender fan of its size. I love it. So that's low. Here's about a medium. Low. Kind of noisy. Already moving good air. More than medium. Maybe a medium high, even. There's medium high. And here's full high. Not much difference in speed there. I may have to make this thing even steeper pitched yet. And of course, we also have a direct drive high. Now I'll just do a spin down on this. Doesn't take too long to spin down because it's got a very steep pitch. That will be all for now. Cloaking device, of course.